Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about two New Balance releases, and let's just start off with the top one here because I'm sure you guys can already tell what it is just by looking at the box. It is the Joe Fresh Goods New Balance 992 Aged Well, and you already know that I was gonna love this pair because just look at, wait, let me get this out. Just look at this colorway, guys. It is so beautiful. The idea behind the name Aged Well is that this is meant to look like an aged pair of the first Joe Fresh Goods 992s from 2020, which, side note, I totally regret not trying harder to get a pair because the resale price on that is crazy. I think it is a really beautiful pair, but at this stage, I have given up hope on ever owning a pair because they're so expensive. So I'm glad that they've done a part 2 to the 992s, and the name is very fitting, and I think the color combination on this is absolutely on point. So you guys can see the upper is constructed with a mix of mesh, premium suede and leather, and the suede on this is so buttery and nice. It is a mix of dusty pinks and coral hues, and the leather is a really nice warm tone tan color. Being a Joe Fresh Goods collab, obviously we're gonna find some co-branded details like here on the tongue, on the back of the sneaker, as well as on the insole. I still can't figure out what the graphic of the insole is meant to be. To me, this looks like a distressed burnt version of the first 992s. But then I also think this might be a tie-dye sort of vibe because I know that Joe Fresh Goods used to do these tie-dye hoodies that were pretty popular. So when you look at the inside of the lid, it says DBM, which stands for Don't Be Mad, and that is Joe Fresh Goods apparel brand from back in the day. And also with the 2020 release, the No Emotions Emotions collection, he also had some tie-dye pants, so I'm thinking those patterns could have inspired the insole of this, but again, I don't really know. I was trying to look online whether there was any info about that, but I couldn't find anything. So if you guys know, please let me know in the comments below. But overall, I think Joe Fresh Goods and New Balance did such a wonderful job with this release. Being a made in USA silhouette, the quality of material and craftsmanship is definitely there, but you're also paying a little bit more of a premium price point compared to your made in Asia releases. So this retails for 380 Australian dollars, which is a little bit more on the higher side. I'm pretty sure most general release made in USA silhouettes retail for 350 Australian dollars, so you're paying a little bit more, but I think it's worth it because it is a collab pair. And just look at how beautiful this is. In terms of sizing, I find that the made in USA silhouettes tend to fit a little bit big, so most people will go down half a size from their true to size and you'll get a pretty good fit. If you stay true to size, you'll find that it'll be a little bit more of a roomier kind of fit, but I know some people prefer it that way. I'm definitely one of those people, so it's really up to you how you like it to fit, but I think generally most people will go down half a size with the made in USA silhouettes. You do get 4 spare laces to choose from, so in total you get 5 laces because I currently have them laced with the sort of creamy off-white pair, which I think looks really nice. But if you want to change it up, there's also this like olive pair, a baby blue, a coral, as well as this off-white pair, but it has like these splotchy look on them, which I guess is meant to give like a vintage feel, I think. But yeah, I absolutely love this release. The name Aged Well also has another meaning besides the aged look of the sneaker, and it is to represent the strong relationship that Joe Fresh Goods and New Balance have, because it's been 5 years since their initial collaboration in 2020, and since then we've seen so many collabs and releases from the two, and I'm glad to see that they've come up with yet another really nice collaboration, and I'm looking forward to see what else they have in store. But to me, this is an absolute cop. I think they've done a wonderful job with this release. Moving on to the next pair, I have the New Balance 1906 loafer. I know this is a love or hate for a lot of people. I personally love this silhouette. You guys know that I picked up the first colorway, which is this silver pair over here. and I ended up getting this in a men's US 7, which is definitely too big for me because I've worn this a few times now, and each time I wear it, I've come to realize it is definitely too big for me. So it's also a little bit harder to get away with a shoe that's a little bit too big when it is this style instead of being a sneaker, because with sneakers I can always tighten the laces, but with this it definitely slips at the heel. So I've actually put like a stick-on padding here which helps a little bit, but it is not my actual size, which is a shame. That is why I don't wear it too much. So when I saw that they have this black leather pair, I knew that I needed to get it because I think this black leather pair is so versatile because you can kind of dress it up or dress it down. We have previously seen an all black leather pair with the Junior collab, and I really wanted a pair of those, but I couldn't find it in my size, and also the retail price was pretty high. So I will settle for my general release non-junior pair, and this retails for 230 Australian dollars. When I first saw these, I wasn't sure if the upper was actually constructed with leather because it has sort of a matte finish to it, and I almost thought it was like a synthetic leather, but looking at the tag on the inside here, it does say it is constructed with leather and synthetic materials on the upper. So yes, I can confirm it is leather, and I think it says synthetic because it does have the TPU cage over here. You guys already know that these loafers share the same midsole as the 1906 sneakers, so it does feel very comfortable on feet. But keep in mind that the silhouette overall is a little bit slimmer than the 1906 sneaker. I'm planning on taking these with me to Japan because I'll be going this Thursday, which I'm so excited about, and I think this would go well with most of my outfits. I am a little bit worried with the comfort of the sneaker because I haven't worn these for a prolonged period of time. Like I haven't worn these all day or done a lot of walking in this silhouette, so it's a little bit concerning because in Japan I'm doing a minimum of 20,000 steps a day, so hopefully these are comfortable enough and don't give me any form of blisters because we don't have time for no uncomfortable shoes. But I guess I'll find out. I will let you guys know in my vlogs because I will be vlogging my trip. But yeah, I'm really happy with this pickup. I think it looks great on feet. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I just wanted to show you my two new pickups. They are completely different vibes and styles, but I think they're both really nice in their own way. Let me know in the comments below. Why am I holding this so weird? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of these and whether you'll be picking up a pair. But that's pretty much it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!